How do NIL sponsorship agreements work for athletes? Imagine turning your personal fame into a paycheck. That's what NIL sponsorship agreements are all about. They let athletes earn money by using their name, image, or likeness in the world of sports and entertainment. But how do these deals actually work? Let's break it down. NIL stands for name, image, and likeness. When athletes sign NIL sponsorship agreements, they are entering into contracts with companies, brands, or individuals who want to promote their products or services using the athlete's identity. These agreements give the sponsor the right to use the athlete's name, photos, or videos for marketing campaigns, social media posts, appearances, or merchandise. In return, the athlete gets paid, often through a set fee, royalties, or in-kind benefits like free products. These contracts are legal documents that specify what the athlete is expected to do. They include details like how many social media posts are required, the type of events they will attend, or how long the deal lasts. The agreement also states how much money the athlete will receive and when. Sometimes, the deal might include exclusivity, meaning the athlete can't endorse competing brands during the contract period. There are also morality clauses that allow the sponsor to end the deal if the athlete's behavior damages their reputation. Since July of 2021, the National Collegiate Athletic Association, or NCAA, has allowed student athletes to profit from NIL deals without losing their eligibility. This change opened the door for athletes to earn money from endorsements, social media promotions, and merchandise sales while still competing in college sports. However, athletes must follow state laws and their school's rules. Many states requiring athletes to report deals that earn over a certain amount, like $600. Schools and athletic conferences also have rules to prevent NIL deals from being used as recruiting incentives or to gain unfair advantages. Athletes often work with agents or NIL collectives to find and manage these deals. An agent helps negotiate contracts and ensures the terms are fair. NIL collectives are groups that can act like agencies, connecting athletes with brands or paying athletes directly for promotional work. These groups must be careful to stay within NCAA rules and avoid conflicts with amateurism standards. Legal risks are part of the process too. Contracts might have unfair terms, or athletes could face tax obligations on their earnings. There's also the potential for intellectual property issues if the athlete's image is used improperly. That's why it's smart for athletes to seek legal advice before signing any deal. In essence, NIL sponsorship agreements are a way for athletes to turn their popularity into income. They must carefully review the contract details, understand their rights, and stay compliant with NCAA and state regulations. As the legal environment continues to evolve, athletes and their advisors need to stay informed to make the most of these opportunities while protecting their rights.